There are two parts to this question. The first is, should you be optimistic in the first place, or being pessimistic is fine as well? To that, I'd say that if you can find anyone, a person who has achieved something big, created an impact, is inspiring, who has been pessimistic, then by all means be pessimistic. Because I don't know anyone. Everyone that I like, from Gates and Musk and Gary Vee and Imran Khan, they're all unbelievably optimistic people. The second question is, how do you actually become optimistic all the time? And to that, the answer is change the voice in your ears. Cut off ruthlessly all the people, even if they're your loved ones, who are holding you back because of their negativity, toxicity, pessimism, and replace that with the voice of people, authors, books, podcasters, content creators who are always talking about positivity, inspirational, optimistic, motivational, and all that stuff. What you realize is that optimism actually spreads faster than the coronavirus. It's more contagious from human to human than the virus. So let it engulf you, eat you, absorb you, and change you.